Hello, in this video I add a liquid cooled graphics card to my AMD 8350 build. I chose a GTX 750 Ti, and I know this isn't a card that actually needs to be water cooled, but I don't play games on my computer, and I just needed something that was very good at day-to-day tasks and a bit of video rendering, and I wanted the liquid cooling aspect for aesthetics to fit in with the rest of the build. So after removing the original heatsink and fan, I opened the AlphaCool water block. They include thermal pads, they're all colour coded, Allen keys, and a backplate as well. The thermal paste was installed by spreading a thin layer on, and again there's lots of different ideas on which way to do this, but I always just do what the manufacturer says, and in this case it was to do that. You can put a dot or a cross on if you prefer. So after installing the back plate, the screws can be tightened and holds everything together, and that is what it looks like with the EK 90-degree rotary fittings on it. I used some new Mayhem's 13x10mm tubing. It's very flexible, so the loop was easy to put together. I flushed it through about 10 times I think to try and get rid of any blue that was still left, and this time I'm using Mayhem's pastel ice white coolant, and as you can see, because there's a small reservoir, it's taking a lot of cycles to fill it, but this was the end result. So I leak tested for a further 10 hours and there was no problems. The temperatures were quite good. I might add another radiator in at some point, but it'll do fine for now. So I'll just leave you with a few final pictures, and if you'd like to see what the original build was like, then I'll leave a link for that in the description. So thanks very much for watching, and see you in the next video.